Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a hand wheel and also this is a handle design, and all dimension in millimeter, and all view is you can see here on the screen. Okay, and this is a isometric view, and this is a top view, and this is a right view, and this is a right view, and this is a front view, and all geometry is you can see here on the screen easily. And this body is a stop wall project, and this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is separate design here, and last is this all is a assemble here. Okay, and today discuss here a very important lecture. This lecture is a very important for a beginner student, and this is a design a hand wheel and how to this body is designed. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, this is isometric view, and this is a body is designed, and this is cutout is very important, and also this is use a fillet. And okay, this is a very nice looking here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, some setting is very important, and going to this part, and part is this and plain white, and going to option and document properties and image quality. Image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, at first drawing this body, and use this is a top plane, and use again a front plane. Okay, at first select a top plane and sketch drawing a two reference line, or two line is a drawing here easily. Okay, two line is a drawing here. Center rectangle, corner rectangle is drawing here, and this is a drawing this, and this line and this point is a mid plane. Okay, and again select. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a this point, and this is also a coincident. Okay, all is perfect, and again select okay, dimension, and this dimension is this length is okay, this 30 millimeter and 25 millimeter, and this distance between to this 125 millimeter, and this radius is drawing here diameter is 26. Okay, and at first select draw a circle, and this diameter is 26. Okay, and this length is 25 millimeter, and this width is 30 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance between 125 millimeter is this. Okay, all line is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect. This distance is length is 25 millimeter, and this is a okay, this is a perfect. this length is 25 millimeter and width is 30 millimeter, and this diameter, this circle diameter is 26 millimeter, and this distance between two 125 millimeter. Okay, all is correct. And going to revolve boss base and select this axis. Okay, drawing this and okay. Okay, this is a drawing here, perfect. And again select a front plane and sketch normal. Okay, and select a corner rectangle, and corner rectangle is this, drawing this. Okay, okay, and at first drawing a center rectangle. Center rectangle is this, and this line, and press a control button, and this line is a selector, and this use a make symmetric. Okay, and this is a distance is a, okay, this is distance is a, this distance is a 30 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is a 20 millimeter, but not so mention here. And this distance is a okay, this is a 20 millimeter is this. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, this is a 20 millimeter, and use a extrude boss base, and this use a mid plane, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect. And again going to this circular pattern and select this, and pattern is 4, and this is a selector this. Okay, okay, all is correct. And this equals for pattern equal spacing and 360-degree angle, and click OK. And again use a fillet, and fillet is a 5 millimeter, and all face is 1 by 1 is selected. Okay, and this is a back side is also all face is a 1 by 1 is selected. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This fillet is used here, and this is a 30 millimeter, and also this is 30 millimeter. Okay, this is a 30 millimeter is better. And again select this, use this, and select 30 millimeter, click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And again select this fillet is used here. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and very nice looking here. Okay, okay, and this is a 30 millimeter is this, and 5 fillet is 5 millimeter. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. And going to this, and okay, all is better. And okay, and again select this face, sketch normal. And at first some reference line is drawing here, because this is a cutout is first. And again select a second this reference line, and this line is a vertical line. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and again select this center line and drawing this, and this is a this, and angle between this distance is a 45 degree. Okay, and select this 3-point center rectangle and drawing this to this. Okay, and again select this 3-point center rectangle, this point to this. Okay, this is a 3-point center rectangle, and select this point and press a control button and select this line. Use a coincident. Okay, and this diameter is this length 25 millimeter, and this is also 25 millimeter is this. Okay, and 45 degree angle, and okay, this is perfect, and all is fully defined and all is correct, and this is a perfect is correct, and this is a 25 millimeter, and also this is a 25 millimeter, and this angle is 45 degree. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is apply here through all, and okay. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all is a perfect. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here, and going to material, apply material is this. Select a metal and painted, and painted is this. Red color is also perfect and correct, and also symmetric view. Okay, this is a perfect, and all is a perfect and correct. Okay, all geometry is okay, all geometry is use here. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. हाय गाइस, अगर आप डिजाइनिंग कोर्स करना चाहते हैं तो आप कैट सेंटर बोरिंग रोड पटना में आइए। यहाँ पर सभी प्रकार का डिजाइनिंग कोर्स अवेलेबल है। यहाँ पर सिविल का डिजाइनिंग कोर्स, मैकेनिकल का डिजाइनिंग कोर्स, इलेक्ट्रिकल का डिजाइनिंग कोर्स और पीपीएम का मैनेजमेंट कोर्स अवेलेबल है। और कोर्स विद सर्टिफिकेट के साथ आप आराम से यहाँ डिजाइनिंग कोर्स कर सकते हैं। और इंक्वायरी के लिए आप कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर यहाँ पर दिया गया है, आप यहाँ पर इंक्वायरी कर सकते हैं। ओके गाइस, थैंक यू।